Assalamu alaikum gentlemen, my name is Mohammad Arslan. Today I'm going to tell you all about ISSB, and there are 5 days in ISSB, like including the day you reach there. And when you reach there, you start submitting your everything you bring along yourself, your clothes, your documents, and everything. Then they give you your chest number, and you start going to a hall where you have to write your biodata form for 4 forms. You have to fill 4 forms, and the main thing that sir has told me is that every form should be same like first form. And after that, you have psychology test. On second day, psychology test has different things like sentences and sentence completion test, and there is picture test, and some more tests like pointer stories. We have to write those stories, sentences in given amount of time. Like we have 6 minutes for sentences to complete them, and the sentences should be on your merits, demerits, your personality, your favorite personality, and your family, your hobbies, and etc. Then there comes the stories. You have to write what comes in your mind in for your first thoughts, because they are very negative type of pictures on the TV or LCD they are showing on. We have to write those stories in a positive way and showing the positive way of writing. And the rules to write those stories is the problem and then giving the solution. Then it comes the next day, there is GTO test also have different tasks and discussions, and group discussions, lectures, etc. Like obstacles, there are obstacles have 2 minutes of time. We have to complete all the obstacles, minimum of 9 obstacles in 2 minutes of time. Then there is group discussion. In that we are given a topic. We have to talk at least 2 to 3 minutes on that topic. Like example of co-education, the topic is co-education. We have to talk about 2 to 3 minutes on this topic. The best way to talk about the topic is to first introduce the topic, then uh, summarize the problem and give a conclusion, and after that your discussion is over. Then there is lecture. GTO gives a topic. We have at least 30 to 40 seconds of thinking on that lecture topic. We have that the same way we have to provide the lecture is that first we have to introduce the topic, then we have to summarize the problem, and then we have to conclude everything and give solutions to that problem. There are many things to follow before going to ISSB, like 14 profile qualities sir has told in the class. And the main quality I think is very important is expressions. According to sir, if we our expressions are the same before the ISSB date and after the ISSB date, then our recommendation is mandatory. Because the change in expressions when the ISSB date comes, or we do anything bad or any mistake in ISSB, our expressions change. There is that is the only problem that comes in ISSB and during ISSB. So the key to this is that we have to control our expressions, our face expressions, to and be we have to be confident to to make everyone like GTO, Dipti and Psych think that we are confident and we are not overthinking about anything in ISSB during ISSB. Second thing I think is important is our looks, our way of dressing. It should be very neat, clean and formal. It should be according to the rules and regulations. And in ISSB they want every dressing according to every situation. Like if we are sitting in interview and giving interview, we have to wear, or we have to be in a formal dress, like I guess dress pant and dress shirt, coat, tie, and our hair should be very set, etc. Then if we talk about their mess, we have to wear shalwar kameez. It is not mandatory, but I have listened from previous experiences that we have to wear shalwar kameez during the mess and during the namaz prayer sessions. During physical activities, we have to wear white shirt and white knicker cloths, etc. Like we have to be in physical outfits that are mandatory in a ground. We cannot enter a ground in a dress pant or dress shirt. We have to be very precise about our clothes, our looks, because that's what matters. Then if we are talking about interview is, I think, very easy. Interview, we just have to be confident, positive and real. And then we have to be very clear minded. The whole ISSB, I think, runs on our clarity of mind and our originality. If we are original, we are clear, we are what we are, like we are not lying of anything to them, we are just accepting what we are, then I think we are recommended. Now if we are talking about ISSB, I will like to tell you all the ISSB instructions. The first instruction I have told you previously is our dressing. Proper dressing is mandatory in every situation. Every thing should be very proper. The main thing for our confidence is our physical stamina. We should have a lot of stamina for ISSB. Confidence and clear brain is the key to clearing ISSB. It is very important. If we again talk about 5 days for our clearance, there are 5 days. The first day is reporting day. Reporting time is 9 to 12. And when we enter the ISSB center, they start checking our luggage. Then it is lunch time. They start verifying our documents, lotting of chest numbers. They take pictures of us for memories, and 40 minutes are given to write different essays in English and Urdu. I think first essay is English, one essay, and one essay is in Urdu. And there are 3 biodata forms that we have to fill, and these 3 biodata forms are given to each one of the officer of at ISSB. First it is given to Psych, then it is given to GTO, and then it is given to deputy. Deputy is the one who takes our interview. Biodata form should be very precise and should be looking same, like we have to fill our forms alike same. There should be no difference in our 3 forms, because we are almost 20 to 30% judged on that form. Then there are short essays. We are given 4 minutes for short essays. The essay topics that I remember and I have been told are unforgettable incidents, sweetest dream I saw, and co-education was not, no, it was discussion topic. Then there comes the day 2. Day 2 is very important day because it is the backbone of ISSB. It is important because psych is the only one who can check our brain, our heart, and our originality on the basis of his tests. The psych test include video play of sentences, words. We have to make sentences. It is called word association test. Then it is sentence completion test. There are 26 sentences, we have to complete them, and there are 2 sheets of English sentence completion test and 2 sheets of Urdu sentence completion, and each one of the sheet has 26 sentences. We are given 6 minutes for each sheet to complete. Then there is VAT, word association test. We are given 100 words each, and we have 10 seconds to complete each one of the sentences. Like, we have to write one sentence in 1 minute. Then there are pointer stories. Pointer stories are also very important. Pointer stories are short stories that we have to write. Like, there is written, once upon a time he was walking through the jungle. Then we have to complete this sentence or this story. That story should contain our merits, demerits, hobbies, and the other things I have told you previously. All things should be uh, very should be seen in our sentences, in our stories, and every test. Like, we have to be original. If we are telling the truth, or we are telling what we are, then the things we are writing are seen in our tests, and we can approach that recommendation. Then there are merit demerits. We are given 5 minutes to complete the page. We have to write merits, our merits and our demerits. The merits should be positive and original, and what my father has told me, that demerits should also be positive. And there are also 10 SRTs. SRTs are situations. We are given 10 minutes for each situation to complete. OPI test. We have 40 minutes to complete that OPI test. OPI test complete has 7 options. We have to take one of them in every sentence. We think what we are, or what the sentence thinks we are, so we have to take that. Then there is OPI test. OPI test is in 2 forms. It is rather on computer or on the paper, and they can also do that. They can pick you up during the OPI test on the paper and give you the rest of the test on the computer. Then the day 3 starts. Day 3 is very like hectic day. There is group discussion, and one topic is in English and one topic is in Urdu, and we have 15 minutes for each topic to complete. Firstly, I told 2 minutes, I guess, but 15 minutes are, I guess, included for every person sitting in our group. We have 15 minutes to discuss that topic. Then there is deputy president interview. Interview is also very important. That is the last stage of ISSB. And then it is lecturate, public speaking. We are given a topic to speak on it for 5 to 6 minutes, and the pattern I have told you. previously. That was first you have to introduce the topic, then you have to tell the problem, and then you should, yeah, you must have to conclude the problem, or you have to tell the solution to that problem. Then there is a task known as group planning. We have to plan, we are given a situation and we have to plan everything and make a plan, and then we have to present that plan. During that, many of the students they make mistake that they they start fighting for presenting the idea, but that's not etiquettes. We have to initiate, but we are not allowed it to fight for it. We just have to say 2 3 times that I want to present, but like I then it comes the group task. Group task is very easy. We have to plan, make a plan, and then we have to initiate that plan. Like the boys are doing group task right now, and we have to do that group task like that. We should have a plan for that, and then we have to execute that plan in 7 to 8 minutes or 14 minutes. Then it is day 4, and it is also known as the GTO task 2, day 2, because during this day we start with the command task. Command task is also very important. We are given 8 minutes for command task, and then individual obstacles. Obstacles are like this. All we have to complete all the obstacles in 2 minutes, and all the activities that are on GTO day 1 and GTO day 2 can be and are sometimes mixed. That are not compulsory that he will do the group discussion on day 1, or he can change every activity according to himself. Then there comes the departure day, last day, day 5. Some students have re-interview on this day, and some students just leave, and it does not depend. When someone has re-interview, he will be recommended. Many of the students have re-interview, re-obstacles, re-command task, but many of the students does not have these, but they get selected, and many students who have re-interview does not get selected. Going with the group discussion topics, I will like to include all the topics that I remember, like क्या मुस्लिम ममालिक के मसाइल का हल सिर्फ जिहाद है, सेक्स एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए या नहीं, मोबाइल फ़ोन ज़रूरत है या मजबूरी, आर्मी ऑपरेशन सही है या गलत, क्या जमहूरियत हर चीज़ का हल है, जंग और मोहब्बत में क्या सब कुछ जायज़ है, क्या गैरत के नाम पे कत्ल जायज़ है, एट्सेट्रा. This is the most important obstacle in obstacles according to Sir Haroon. If we can do this obstacle with beauty, we can pass our GTO task obstacle, individual obstacles, with maximum marks. We can see these students doing obstacles, and my least favorite obstacle is this tire, because I don't like this. I can do this, but I don't like this obstacle. And my favorite obstacle is this rope. If we talk about 14 qualities that I have mentioned previously, there are 14 qualities that we have to master, and if we master those qualities, we are recommended according to Sir. And I also think if we master those qualities, those profile qualities, we can be recommended in ISSB. We can be prioritizedly recommended in This is called monkey bridge, and we have to do this. when we are doing individual obstacles. Coming back to the topic, 14 profile qualities. The first quality we should have is planning ability. Like we have many tasks on this ability we have to do, like command task. We have individual obstacles. We have group planning, and almost every task in ISSB is based on planning ability. We have to master planning ability. We have to know the tricks, how to plan everything and how to plan in every situation. Then the second profile quality we have is courage. Courage is the bravery or the motivation to do everything we are ordered or we are told. Like it is important in obstacles. We have a lot of obstacles that a person will hesitate doing, like this rope or this bridge type thing. We have to run on it to cross the bridge, and this rope, monkey bridge. Almost every task in individual obstacles include, and we should have courage to do these tasks. Third quality I will mention is mental ability. The third quality I mentioned was mental stability. Mental stability is also a must profile quality. We should have mental stability during ISSB. Mental stability includes, like, we should be calm, we should be focused, we should be hearing, listening carefully, and we should be planning, because if we don't have mental stability we cannot plan things what we are told. So we have to be calm and mentally stable to plan everything during the ISSB or during the 5 days of ISSB. And the fourth quality that I remember is responsibility. During ISSB, responsibility is also both very important. It is a leadership quality. If we have responsibility and we can lead the group, we have the responsibility of 7 to 8 people to make them cross the ditch or make them cross the task we are told, and we have to plan. It is our responsibility, so we have to be responsible during the ISSB every time. The fifth quality I remember is physical endurance. As I told, physical endurance is very important. We should have a lot of stamina to be able to be in the competition during the ISSB. If we have not a lot of stamina or we are not physically stable, we cannot do a lot of tasks GTO tell us to do, like again obstacles, running, and the group task, command task, everything. We should have physical endurance during the ISSB to compete and to be able to be in the competition, to win the competition. Then the sixth quality, if I remember, is determination. It is also a must quality. Determination is very important during ISSB. The thing they are checking is that what I remember is that they have written it on the ISSB. I can tell you the exact line. So that's all about the ISSB test I know, and every profile quality I remembered I told you in this video. We should focus on majority of profile qualities to be recommended in ISSB. Thank you.